In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use sound recognition on your iPhone. Alright, so I'm starting right here on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm doing is opening up the Settings app. I tap on that gear icon, give it a moment to load up, and once I'm inside, I'm looking through the list of options on the screen. From here, I scroll down until I see Accessibility, and once I find it, I tap on it to go inside. Now I'm in the Accessibility menu, and I keep scrolling down through the list until I spot Sound Recognition. When I see it, I tap on Sound Recognition, and that takes me straight into the settings for it. Alright, now that I'm here, I tap the toggle to turn sound recognition on. The change happens right away, and once it's enabled, I move down and tap on sounds at the bottom of the screen. This opens up the list of available sounds that the iPhone can listen for. Now I'm scrolling through the list and turning on the sound I want notifications for. I just tap the toggle next to whichever sound I want the phone to recognize, and it activates immediately. I can enable one or more depending on what I need, and everything updates as I go. Once that's done, I pause here for a moment just to make sure everything is set the way I want. There's nothing else I need to confirm, so I can stay on this screen or back out whenever I'm ready. Now I back out through the menus step by step, heading back toward the main screens, and that's really the entire process. Anytime you want to revisit it, just open Settings, go into Accessibility, tap Sound Recognition, turn it on, open Sounds, and toggle the specific alerts again. And that's all there is to it. You've now seen how to use sound recognition on your iPhone, and once you've gone through it once, it becomes quick and easy to return and adjust whenever you need.